Now we go to the main book, brother. We go to the main book. Ad-Darsu Awwal. Okay? Haza. What is, sister, the blue book? Yeah? Blue book, lesson 1. What is the title? What is the title? Haza. We are learning Haza. What is Haza, brother? Most of you know the meaning. What is it? This. Haza means this. Okay, but write down near there in your book. Just write down, brother. What is Haza? It is what is it, brother? This is a pronoun. And pronoun is a noun. In Arabic, pronoun is also a noun. Okay, so it's a pronoun. Just remember it, brother. And if you forget, Sister Fatima, if you forget, it's normal. You should not be too concerned because we will be repeating it so many times in the class that it's going to come out of your both ears. Okay? So it is demonstrative noun. What do you call it in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Those who are familiar with Urdu, they will find the course very easy. Brother? Ismul ishara. We will be repeating it. Right now I'm, throwing these things at you. But please do not be gabarified because we'll be repeating them and it will inshallah become part of your vocabulary and part of your memory inshallah. Haza. Are you with me, brother? What is haza? It is a demonstrative pronoun, which means it's a noun. Are you with me? Okay. And then in Arabic we call it ismu ishara. We call it Ismu ishara. Okay? Ishara. Now, these are the sentences, simple sentences we are studying. And I'm not going to go in detail, but very soon we'll go in detail because ours is an intensive course. We will be moving at a steady pace, brother. Now, as you know, you are all supposed to read. You must know how to read, and you will be writing all these things in your book. And the more you read and write, you will become stronger, brother. And in the class, if you are a team of husband and wife, it's a great thing because you can go home and read to each other and discuss with each other, and it will help. Every day, brother, you got to do your homework. This is just like coming to a college or a university program where you go in the morning to the university, go home and study, come back and learn more. So our course is like that. If you will work hard, you will succeed. If you won't, then it will be a problem. Okay. What is the first? Hada baytun. What is it? Hada baytun. Now, normally, when you speak, you do not say baytun, you say hada bayt. Just like in Qur'an, when you stop, you give a sukoon. But for our course, we will repeat dun, dan, din, we will repeat because we want to understand properly. But those who speak Arabic fluently, just like us, we speak English fluently. But do we know the grammar? We don't know the grammar. If somebody asks you, teach me English, you cannot teach English, brother, because you don't know yourself properly. You only speak, you cannot teach. Same way, the people who speak Arabic, when they say Hada Bayt, or when they say Muhammad Talib, or Raitu Muhammad, or Marartu bi Muhammad, they are not very sure about the endings. Because that's the way you stop it. You don't put the, pronounce the last. But here in our class, we will pronounce everything. so that we get a good idea of what's going on in the sentence. So you will always be reading هذا بيت. هذا بيت. Now tell me, brother and sister, what is the translation? This is a house. Indefinite. Indefinite. This is a house. Okay. Now, I think you have understood this, so I am going to erase it. Brother? Haza. See, it is pronounced like haza. But this alif is not written. It is explained in the key also. So it is haza. Okay. Haza means this. And baytun means a house. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? No, but you said in English that this is a house. Okay. I see this here, haza. I see a house here, baytun, but I don't see anything similar to is in Arabic. Are you with me when I explain? Brother Muhammad? You say this, which is equal to haza, and you say a house, baytun. What about is? So what is? Okay, we go to English grammar. Is, are, and am, these are linking verbs. In English, we call it copula. Copula verbs. Brothers and sisters? They are intransitive verbs, but I will not go in detail in intransitive. But they are called copula verbs. It means they are linking verbs. They link one noun with another noun. Okay? Or it links the subject with the other noun. Okay? They are called linking word in English. They do not exist in Arabic language. They are not there. There is no need. Okay? When you say Hada kalamun, we only said two words. This, a pen, but you will translate, this is a pen. But in Arabic, what will you say? Hada kalamun. You will say Hada kitabun. There is no is or am or are in Arabic. So you have to keep that in mind. And what are they called in is, are, am are called in English grammar? Copula verbs. Yes.
So in Arabic there is no linking word.
There is no linking word. It is understood to be. We understand it, but it's not there. Okay, brothers and sisters? Okay. So
don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا